Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2016 Ford Mustang. Now this Mustang is a convertible and comes with Ford's EcoBoost premium package. This vehicle has never been reported in any accidents and only has 39,700 miles on it. Now this specific Mustang is a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with your custom 18 by 8 inch magnetic painted aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our jet black leather seating with our touchscreen LCD monitor that hooks up to Bluetooth and even our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.